Hello friends. I welcome you all to TechMite. I hope you all are doing well. In this world of technology, everyone wants to take full advantage of it, and also in less time. One can do this by using some tips and tricks. Today, I have compiled a list of useful tips that will help you get more out of your Windows 10 experience, or at least teach you some things you may not have known about. Some have been available in Windows for a number of generations, while others are native to Windows 10. If you're a fan of that old-school start menu experience, you can still have it. Right-click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner to prompt a textual jump menu with a number of familiar destinations, including apps and features, search and run. All these options are available through the standard menu interface, but you'll be able to access them quicker here. There is a lot you can do with the Windows 10 taskbar. Right-click on the taskbar for a handy menu that will allow you to quickly access a number of presets for the toolbars, Cortana, and window schemes. Do you want to personalize those start menu tiles? Right-click on them to prompt a pop-up menu. This menu will give you various options, like the ability to unpin from the start menu, resize the windows, or turn that live tile off. Dating back to Windows 7, the Show Desktop button is a handy little feature. On the bottom right corner of the desktop is a secret button. Don't see it? Look all the way to the bottom and right, beyond the date and time. There you'll find a small little sliver of an invisible button. Click it to minimize all your open windows at once. There is also the option to have Windows minimize when you hover over this button versus clicking. Select your preference in Settings, Personalization, Taskbar, then flip the switch under Use Peek to preview the desktop. Are you a power user who wants access to your PC's nitty-gritty? God Mode is for you. Right-click on the desktop and select New Folder. Rename the new folder with this bit of code. To enter the God Mode window, double-click the folder and go nuts. That's all for today, guys. If you liked the video or learned something, then please support me by liking it, sharing it, commenting on it, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you want to see helpful and informative posts on technology, then do follow me on Instagram. I will put the link in the description. Thanks.